door closing. On ground floor, I haven't pressed anything. Right, pressing 4th floor. Third floor. Yeah, 3rd floor. Stops and opens. A noticeable gap. Definitely a noticeable trip hazard. That was me pressing to go to 4th floor. Allowing the door to close by itself. Level on 4th floor. Sorry, 3rd floor. 3rd floor level. So it stopped on 2nd and sorry, that is 4th floor to stop on. So now it should be going down naturally by itself. Oh dear. Paused and stopped on 2nd floor, then continued. Door did not open this time. Hopefully going right the way to ground on this one. Come to ground, I'm getting out. Lift number 691.